Are you selling your house? Here are 3 things you should know about home inspections and how to get ready for them to make a great impression. First thing, fix the small stuff. Leaky faucets, loose handles, burnt out light bulbs. Make sure the light bulbs are all the same color as well, my friends. That's my biggest pet peeve. These little fixes can make a huge, big difference. Second thing, clean up. A tidy house looks well cared for. It gives inspectors and buyers a good vibe about your home. Third, get ahead of the game. Consider a pre-inspection. It can find problems you can fix before buyers even step in. And here's a little hot tip. If you want to get organized with all your paperwork, get your receipts and your list of repairs, warranties, any home maintenance records, put it all in a nice little neat binder or folder and make sure you have them ready. Leave them on the kitchen counter. Put them all in a binder with a copy of the home inspection. Buyers just want confidence in a home, and knowing the history of the home gives them that confidence. Remember that a smooth inspection can mean a faster sale. And also, be honest about any issues. Transparency builds trust and can smooth the negotiation process. Follow me for more.